In this video, I'm going to show you how to return an item. In this video, I'm going to show you how to return an Amazon item without a box or a label. Now, in order to do this, you'll need to manually head over to your order section, and then you'll need to manually select the option which says box without a box or label. So make sure you head over to the your order section and then click return or replace item, choose your reason for return, and then click on continue. Once you complete this step, you then need to choose a box free drop off location. On the shipping selection screen, you can see the option which says no box or label needed, so that you can select a eligible local partner so that you can drop off the box. Once you complete this process, you need to drop off the items to the local partner that you selected so that you can show the QR code on your phone to the store associate. So this is the exact process that you can follow in order to return an Amazon item without a box or label. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next video.